I'm now, guys, gonna show you talking parrot yo-yo. Sadly, you won't understand that because it's gonna be more in Slovak language, but let's have a look. That's pretty much, guys, all. So yo-yo says poch poch, poch yo-yo, no poch, poch poch, no poch yo-yo. He can say more than that, but what he's actually what he's ac- what he's actually saying is poch poch, no poch, which means come on, yo-yo, which is his name. Come on, come, poch, come, yo-yo, come. That's all. Subscribe, guys, and let's go for 3,000 subscribers. Thank you.